Alright, for the start of round 5, I'm going to use my tail as my stitch marker again. And the first stitch is an increase stitch, so it's going to be double crochet and front post double crochet, and then it's double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, and so double crochet, front post double crochet. So now we're at 5 stitches, and then an increase of double crochet and front post double crochet, and another increase, my front post double crochet, and then another increase of double crochet and front post double crochet, and then a double crochet and a front post double crochet and a double crochet and a front post double crochet. And then we're going to repeat. So it's double crochet for increase, we skip the first increase in the front post double crochet, a double crochet, and a front post double crochet, and a double crochet, and a front post double crochet, and then increase with a double crochet and a front post double crochet, and then another increase of a double crochet with the front post double crochet, and then a double crochet and a front post double crochet, and then a double crochet and a front post double crochet. That ends a repeat. Then we do double crochet and a front post double crochet as an increase, and then a double crochet and a front post double crochet as an increase, then a double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet, and you do a double crochet with a total of 40 stitches. So at round 6, I move my tail up to be my stitch marker. My first round will be front post double, double crochet, front post double, double crochet, And then I'm going to do an increase of front post double and a double crochet, and then a front post double and a double crochet is my second increase. And a front post double, and a double crochet, and a front post double, and a double crochet. And a front post double, and a double crochet, and a front post double, and a double crochet. And a front post double, and a double crochet, and a front post double, and a double crochet, and a front post double, and a double crochet, and a front post double, and a double crochet, and a front post double, and a double crochet, and a front post double. Now you're ready for another increase. So it will be a double crochet, and then a front post double, and then a double crochet, and a front post double. And then the rest of the time you're just alternating between front post doubles and double crochet. So it's double crochet, front post double, until you get to your stitch marker again. Double crochet, front post double, double crochet, front post double, and I'm going to pause this and I'll finish the row. This is start of round 7, so I brought up my stitch or my tail to use as my stitch marker. It's going to be double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, and one more front post double crochet. Now we're going to do 2 increases. So it's going to be double crochet and a front post double crochet for the same stitch. And then the next stitch also is increased, so it's going to be double crochet and a front post double crochet in the same stitch. And then you're going to go double crochet the next stitch, front post double crochet, double crochet, and front post double crochet. And you're going to do this 3 more times for a total of 56 stitches. As you can see, I've done it a quarter around the way. So go ahead and do it 3 more times. I'll do the next one with you after I get some more slack from my yarn. Struggling a little bit with getting it off the skein, so let me pause for a second. So for the second repeat of round 7, it is double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, and front post double crochet, and then we go into our increases. So it's, oops, I'm off camera, sorry. Double crochet and front post double crochet. That's our first increase, and then it's double crochet and front post double crochet for our second increase. And then it's double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, and then front post double crochet. And that gives us 2 repeats. And then we're halfway through round 7, so you just do it 2 more times and you finish round 7. So it's double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet. Then our increase, double crochet and front post double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet and front post double crochet in our same stitch, double crochet and front post double crochet, or double crochet, then front post double crochet, double crochet and front post double crochet. You get 2 more times to finish out the row. I'll meet you at the other side.